In this video, I'm going to show you how to undo changes on Wix. So the first thing you need to do is to pull up your Wix website editor. You can access this by clicking on the Edit Site button on your Wix dashboard. Now, undoing changes on your website is actually pretty simple and straightforward. So now we're just going to try to do a bunch of changes that we're going to be undoing afterwards. So for example, let's try adding a text. Maybe this one. Then edit text. Random stuff right here. Okay, that's one. And then next, let's try adding in an image. A random image. Maybe we can find one from our Wix account. If not, we'll just upload something. Maybe this logo. Or let's try this image right here. So we have an image right here. And then lastly, let's try adding a button. This view more right here. So as you can see, we added 3 elements on our page right here. We have a text, an image, and a button. So there are actually 2 ways to undo the changes we made right here. So first one is just by straight up clicking on or tapping Control plus Z on your keyboard like this. As you can see, the changes including the movement I did to the button has been reset and now it's gone. The other way to undo changes is by clicking on this button right here, which says undo. So we're going to go ahead and try that, just like that. And then we'll keep doing it until the text is gone. And there you have it. We have undone the changes we just made a while ago. And that's about it. That's how you undo changes on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.